Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you would get in the vehicle if, say, the battery was dead and so the door lock won't automatically unlock, as well as if the battery is dead in your key fob. And see, there's not a standard metal key. So to get in here, we have the keyhole here, and so we need to push this button, and it tells you, just you push the button and then you can pull out the metal key, and then you can insert the metal key and then twist it to the back to unlock the doors, and then you'll be able to open up the door. So that's how you can manually get into your vehicle on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.